we present you a new video. I hope it will be useful. If you don't want to miss other interesting videos, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you. BMW G30 Replacement of rear brake discs. In the case of the G30 models, BMW comes with a new surprise. The rear brake discs are vortex ventilated, so each brake disc has only one position. Remove the rear wheels. Use the diagnostic system to release the brake calipers. Select Workshop mode. Activate the installation position. You can hear the noise produced by the brake calipers retracting. Remove the brake caliper and the old brake pads. Remove the brake caliper bracket. Remove the old brake disc. Clean the mounting surface well. Use silicone grease to lubricate the mounting surface. Each brake disc has a different part code. The left rear brake disc has the part number 3421 6,882,245. On the disc, there is the notation L for the left as well as the arrow with the direction of rotation. The rear brake discs are vortex ventilated. The right rear brake disc has the part number 3421 6,882,246. On the disc, there is the notation R for the right as well as the arrow with the direction of rotation. Install the new brake disc. The brake pads are also original BMW and have the part number 3421 6,885,451. Mount the brake caliper support. Install the new brake pads. Use a special tool to push back the brake caliper piston. Install the brake caliper. I hope you found this video useful. I'll be back with more interesting videos soon. In order, do not miss other videos that may interest you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.